Heads up, renters and homeowners. When you get a home insurance or a renter's policy, you'll need to decide if you want replacement cost or actual cash value. Hey there, I'm Amy Freena, and I am going to explain the difference so that you can make the best choice for you. Okay, so let's say your belongings get damaged or stolen and you need to file an insurance claim. Two terms you might run into are replacement cost and actual cash value. And they sound similar, but they're definitely not the same thing. Replacement cost is the "we've got your back" option. It means that your insurance will pay to replace your item with a brand new version of the same kind, no matter how old your original was. So, if your 5-year-old TV gets fried in a power surge, replacement cost coverage would pay for a new TV of similar make and model. Nice, right? Actual cash value, or ACV, is more like the "what's it worth now" approach. It takes depreciation into account. So that same 5-year-old TV, ACV would pay you what it's worth today, not what it costs when you actually bought it. And we all know electronics lose value fast, so that check might be, well, underwhelming. So here's the quick breakdown. Replacement cost equals full cost to replace. Actual cash value equals replacement cost minus depreciation. So why does this matter? Well, because it affects how much money you'll get if you need to replace something after a loss. Replacement cost coverage usually costs a bit more in premiums, but it also means fewer out-of-pocket surprises when something goes wrong. Bottom line, if you want your insurance to cover the real cost of replacing your stuff, not just the bargain bin value, it's worth checking if you have replacement cost coverage. Remember, shop around to find the best deal on your home insurance with an independent agent who represents many different insurance companies. That's all for now. Thanks for listening.